This is our Persimmon Island project. We want to remove all of those cedars and autumn olives and multi-flora rose, honeysuckle out of that persimmon grove. Bob has already started working a path to it by pulling out all this large honeysuckle, multi-flora rose. It had piled up and was starting to bloom, so we yanked it out with the tractor. It was too tall to spray. This patch had a large area of coralberry, buckbrush here in front of it. Lots of beneficial berries on it for the wildlife, so we'll leave that in place. Some of these oak sprouts are blackjack oaks. We'll cut those out. We want to save our pecan tree there. And there's an oak tree to the left that we're also going to save as well. Good native trees for the wildlife. That's an ash tree that will come out. Got plenty of ash trees, but yeah, lots of coral berries. And once we get all of this area free of the honeysuckle, we can replant with some beneficial grasses and wildflowers. Sycamore is a volunteer. It has done really well. But check out what happened when we pulled all the honeysuckle and multi-flora rose out. This past fall, the Bidens, the big blue, goldenrod, bunches of native boneset, slender lespedeza. Stay tuned for phase 2.